In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel Emergent AI subscription. We'll walk through the exact path inside the Emergent app so you can confidently end your plan without confusion. Make sure you're signed into your account before you begin, and note that labels or screens may shift slightly as the product updates, but the flow remains the same. Start by going to the Emergent web app. Once you're on the home or dashboard screen, look to the top right corner of the page. You'll see your profile icon or avatar there. Click that to open your account menu. In the menu that appears, choose Manage Plan. This is where your subscription details and billing controls live. In some cases, you'll be taken into a separate billing or subscription portal. If you see another Manage Plan button inside that portal, click it again to open the full plan details. On the plan page, scroll to the bottom if needed and find the Cancel Subscription option. It's intentionally placed toward the lower part of the screen to help prevent accidental cancellations. Click Cancel Subscription to start the cancellation flow. You'll then see a screen that asks, "What changed?" This step is designed to gather quick feedback about why you're leaving, which helps the team improve the product. Select the option that best matches your situation. If there's a space to add a brief note, keep it short and to the point. After you've chosen a reason, click Continue. This moves you forward to the final confirmation stage. At this point, Emergent may present a retention offer that says something like, "Here's bonus credits on us." This is a one-time incentive to keep your subscription active. If those extra credits meet your needs and you'd like to stay, you can accept the offer and your plan will remain active. If your goal is to cancel, look for the option to proceed with cancellation and choose that instead. The wording may vary, but it will clearly let you continue with ending your subscription. Once you complete that final choice, your cancellation request is set. In many subscription systems, you'll keep access until the end of your current billing period, and you won't be charged again after that date. If you decide to return later, you can usually resubscribe from the same Manage Plan area. That's the full process from start to finish. Follow these steps in order, take a moment on each screen to confirm what you want to do, and you'll be all set. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you cancel your Emergent AI subscription smoothly.